Hello everyone and welcome back to another Savvy Homemade video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan lip balm. I've made lip balms before, but this is the first vegan one I've done, so let's get started. Okay, so for starters, you're going to want to set up a makeshift water bath, and in order to do this, just boil some water and fill a pan with a couple of inches of it and pop it on the stove. So when you're ready, combine all of your ingredients, minus the essential oil, into a heatproof or Pyrex vessel and pop it into the water bath to melt for roughly 15 to 20 minutes. Switch your stove on to a medium heat and allow it to simmer. Do not let the water boil. The ingredients I'm using today are a mix of carrot oils, wax and some lovely cosmetic butter. So I'm using 15 grams of almond oil, 5 grams of argan oil, 5 grams of castor oil, 5 grams of tamanu oil, 5 grams of candelilla wax and 10 grams of mango butter. But I also have a small quantity of 1 gram of vitamin E oil as well. For some more information about these lovely ingredients, come on over to savvyhomemade.com and have a read of our full written description of this recipe. So when your solid butter and wax has melted together, remove from the water bath. Be careful not to burn yourself and take every precaution. It's important to leave the mixture to cool for about 5 minutes after removing it from the water bath, just so that we don't destroy the lovely properties of the essential oils. Today I'm using peppermint essential oil and will want roughly about 10 drops. So now it's time to pour the combined mixture into our lip balm cases. You don't have to use these tubes, you can use a small pot, however I like to think that these lend a nice professional touch to the finished product. Depending on the size of your tubes and pots, you'll probably get about 8 to 10 of these. Be careful not to store them in direct sunlight. You want to leave these to dry, just to solidify in the tubes, for a couple of hours before you use them. But otherwise they should look like this. For more DIY crafts and gift ideas, visit savvyhomemade.com.